Hi, DJ Rap here. Let's talk about operator part 2 in under a minute.
So let's take a look at our LFO section. Obviously, we turn it on here. You've got the rate, amount, the type of waveform you want to affect the LFO. You can set the LFO's frequency range within this chooser here, low, high, and sync. Low will set it 50 seconds to 30 Hz. High will set it 8 Hz to 12 Hz. Sync will sync it to 1/48 to 4 bars. And because the LFO is capable of such high frequencies, it can also function as a fifth oscillator. When you turn on the LFO by default, it's affecting everything, pitch, everything. So first thing I want to do is turn off these buttons here, and I want to select the filter because that's what I actually want the LFO to affect. So I'm going to turn this up to, let's put this to sync, 16ths. Let's turn the amount up all the way. The LFO obviously has its own envelope here as well. Let's just concentrate on the filter for now.